We are back. It's day 4. And I just wanted to give you an update on where we are with CRUL and the Xtreme being the lifesaver. Okay.
Drinks on me, girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me, all eyes on the prize. Money super size, G5 super fly, should be supervised.
That the Xtreme, I'm convinced, is the lifesaver. Blake's over here doing her sight words. Praise God. And what we're going to see is where we are in day 4 and what we still have left of the Coils. And this wash and go with the CRUL. Good moisture still. And we're still there. We're still there. We still have Coils. So what I'm going to do is, I'm very pleased with, feel it. You feel it. It's still got, but I haven't done anything clearly in the part. So what we're going to do together, I got my spray solution, little 4 oils, water, aloe vera, and some leave-in conditioner. Spray it to put a little wetness, as you guys advised me that I must have in order to get my hair to operate as it should, or rather for your gel to take place. It should be moist with some.
You sprayed all over it.
I'm sorry, B. You hear? And the aloe vera congealed into a green substance. I'll have to show you. Do together. Thank you guys for all the support on my last video. I used the CRUL and we could not get any curls. And this is the day 4 follow-up of what, what's left. And I'm pleased. Just a simple finger pull, and we still have JERRI CRUL. I hate saying JERRI CRUL. CRUL, JERRI CRUL magic left in the hair. I can feel it. Turn that down, Blake. And I'm simply pulling. And I don't want to comb. I don't want to comb it. I don't want to do. And my pick. Now the top and the front are going to need some love and attention. I don't know why. Me and my sister talked. She said she loved my video, but that our hair texture is truly different in the front. A flat twist. So pray for me. We're going to do a flat twist with the Xtreme. So this isn't going to be a long video. I just wanted to let you know what our hair is looking like on day 4 after using the CRUL, and that we're holding a lot of definition in the back. I don't even want to take the coils apart, but the best thing to do is to keep them together. And that might be when I take a little, this wash and go CRUL magic. I'm squeezing it. I'm putting a little bit on. Has made a difference in my confidence, at least in wearing the afro out, which is what I was looking for. And we're trying to explore different styles that will allow me to wear my hair outside of a wig. So I consider this progress. I hear you, B. One person suggested I use a mousse. My hair does not do well with mousses. It dries it out. This is a follow-up to the CRUL. I'm going to get all these twisted up. schmooze it up. I just wanted to wake up and first show you this before I started messing in my hair and show you what we had left over. Why is she doing all these hair videos? Why? Because if you knew my story and how long I have not liked my hair, and now that it's gray and I don't have a choice because it won't dye, this is a milestone that we have defined curls. Look, still have curls. 4 days later. Thank you, S-Curl. Defined. I was even able to get my edge control to work. Now listen. You don't know my story. But for me to stand here with my fro on Front Street, I am pleased. And I love it. And it feels good. Just a little. And it feels good. A simple coil. And you see, I haven't had to touch up much. Like, I can still feel these back there. Day 4. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. Thank you for subscribing. We're going to do a twist out next or the bleaching. I'm just so excited. So excited. Extreme. S-Curl. Thanks to YouTube hair vloggers. I'm sweating. I just had to spank my son. I am learning a lot and becoming more confident about wearing my afro out. So that's the objective. And I'm glad you guys are doing this ministry with me. Look at God. Look at the clouds. Look at the roses. Look what God can do. If he can do it for the clouds and the roses, he can do it for you. He's awesome. Love yourself and the skin you're in. Celebrate you. Be as gorgeous as you think you are. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat, where we do more than just eat. Bye.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.